Hello everyone. For this video, I am going to be discussing all about table napkin folds. So for the first table napkin fold is the bird of paradise. So as we can see, the first step is to lay flat the table napkin. And then the second step is to fold it in half, crosswise. And then for the third part, we have to fold it again so that we can get a quarter of the napkin, the table napkin. And then we have to turn it around so that we can have the diamond shape and fold it in half so that we can get the triangle shape. Then we have to fold the two sides downwards to get this diamond shape. Remember that there's two flaps. For the next step, you should fold it and press it firmly so that you can get this type of fold. And then fold it in half. So remember that we have to press it firmly so we can pull the flaps together one by one. The first flap should be thick, and the other flap should be just as thin as the other flaps. As you can see, I'm struggling here. It's because the table napkin is not so firm. You have to really press it firmly so that it will form the way you want it to be. And then she's struggling, girl. She's really struggling. Okay, I can't get it to the right figure, but if you can understand that the table napkin is not too firm, but it should be that the wings, I think the wings should be like up enough. And here's the final result. For the second napkin fold will be the fan fold. So here we're just doing the same step, the same first step as we did to the bird of paradise. To lay flat and then fold it in a half, but lengthwise, as you can see apparently. And then rotate it and then gently pinch the edge to make it look like this. The technique of this is just you have to pinch and then pull on the table napkin and then pinch it again. Make sure that it has the equal size. And then you don't have to fold it entirely. You just have to leave a space. And then you have to fold it in half, like this. Then fold it again like this. And then, ta-da! This is how you fold a fan fold. So beautiful, right? So pretty, right? So what we're doing next is folding the candle fold. The candle fold is easy actually. It's really easy to make. You will see it later on. So for this, I'm laying flat the table napkin diagonally and fold it in half so that it looks like this. It looks like a triangle. And then gently roll the napkin. Roll it like this. Roll it like a rolling pin. Go, girl. And then, oops, here you go. I told you it was easy, right? And then the last part is that you have to fold it like this. Girl. Like this. Okay? The other end should not meet. But yeah, here it goes. That easy, right? I think it's just 3 steps. So next is the Rosebud Fold. So we are laying flat the table napkin diagonally and then fold it in half so that it looks like a triangle, and then roll it. So it's like similar to the candle fold, but not entirely. You have to roll it like this, like a rolling pin again. No, I'm just kidding. And then leave some space for later, because you won't need to roll it entirely. And then roll it again like this. My girl is just so slow. Girl, why are you so slow? I'm kidding. So after rolling, you see the flap here? You have to fold it, tuck it in. In this part, you have to tuck into that part so that it will look like, it's so slow, so that it would look like this, like a little rose. It's not little, it's big. Why am I fighting over myself? And then see these flaps, these two flaps, you have to gently pull it and separate it apart. Separate. So that it looks like a little leaf. Leaves, actually. Ta-da! Here you go, the Rosebud Fold. It's so pretty. So next is the pyramid fold, pyramid napkin fold. So we're doing it again, the same as the candle and the rosebud fold, and then you have to fold it in half so that it is in a triangle shape, and then fold it in half again. Fold the two sides, the left and right sides, upwards so that it looks like a diamond shape. Then you have to flip it like a pancake. No, I'm kidding. You have to flip it so that it looks like this. And then fold it in half. Rotate it and then make it look like this. It's just easy. There you go. The pyramid fold. So the next napkin fold that we're going to be making is the butterfly fold. So the butterfly fold actually is similar to the pyramid fold, and it almost looks the steps are almost the same, but not entirely. So we're repeating the steps as what we did in the pyramid fold, like this. And then same it goes, that you have to flip it and fold it in half. Okay, so this is what it differs. You have to fold it on the other side. You have to fold it on the other side, and then here you go. The butterfly fold. So the only difference of it is just flipping on the other side. So the butterfly fold the butterfly fold has 3 flaps, while the pyramid fold has only 1 flap. Am I right? Here you have it, the butterfly fold. Butterfly fold. Now we're going to be making the Waterlily Fold. Waterlily Fold is sometimes called as artichoke napkin fold, but these guys are just the same. So here we're dividing the table napkin into dividing the 4 sides into like this, and then fold it again into fold the 4 sides again like this. Now you have to fold it equally so that the result will be amazing. Like this, the diamond shape should be like this. The diamond shape should be equal. And then you have to flip it so that it looks like this. And then you have to fold it again, as what he did 2 times. You have to fold it again. Should look like this. Now you remember that you have to press it firmly so that it won't unfold. And then you have to pull each of the flap that was inside, and then it will look like this. Remember that you have to press the center firmly so that it won't go to other places. So this is the waterlily or artichoke fold. So up next is the French napkin fold. So this, you have to do it again. You have to lay flat the table napkin into a diamond shape, and then fold it in half so that it looks like this. Then you have to get the left side and bring it to this side. It should look like this. Bring the left side to the right side. Wait, I'm aligning it. It should look like this. And then for the last step, you have to bring the left side again to the right side so that it will look like this. So this is the French napkin fold. Down to the last two, we have the second to the last napkin fold, the crown napkin fold. So first is to lay flat diagonally. I'm sure you're tired of hearing this. And then fold it in half so that it looks like a triangle, and then bring the other sides, the left and the right sides, to the middle, and then pull the bottom part, bring the bottom part into the top part, if that makes sense, and then bring it down to look like this, and then you have to turn it so that it looks like a gem shape, and then you have to flip it. Bring the left side to the middle, and then same goes to the other side, and tuck this part into this part. Here you go. This is the crown napkin fold. Remember that you should press the center. It should look like this. Up to the last one, we have the banana fold. So in the banana fold, it's almost the same as the crown fold. So you have to repeat the steps of the crown fold again. Remember the steps of the crown fold? You have to fold it like this. It's very tricky, but if you memorize it, then it will go down easily. So you have to bring the left and right sides to the middle, and then the bottom part goes to this. You should not fold it in half, but fold it almost entirely, but also leave a space, and then get the top part and then get it down, and then you have to remember the gem shape. You have to get that. You have to see that shape, and then tuck the sides so that it looks like a crown napkin fold. What's the difference about the crown napkin fold and the banana napkin fold is that you have to bring down the flaps. You have to bring down the flaps So that's what it differs. The two flaps. You have to bring the flaps down. Should look like this. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed it.
2,000 years later.